Hey traders from around the world, it's Jeremy Alexander Newsom with your Wednesday real life stock review. Full disclosure, if you hear a little bit of music in the background, I am in a Cancun resort and my room is not very far from the pool, of which is called the Sexy Time Pool. So anyway, having fun on a little bit of a vacation. Therefore, I won't be posting a stock review or trade review on Friday, but I will be in Las Vegas next week, hanging out with some traders and just being generally do my best to enrich some lives. All right, so really quick on the SPY, broader market, looks like we're going to continue higher. As soon as we break this pink line, we are off to the races, ladies and gentlemen. Consider doing a bull put spread for August, 280, 279, very, very far away. And you might not even have to go that low if you want to do a bull put spread. But generally, the trend looks good right now. We continue to gap up. We're doing our thing. We did have a gap down yesterday, and we did get stopped out of some swing trades, unfortunately. Got stopped out of Baidu, got stopped out of BETZ because I had the stop way too tight. Check this out. So dumb. Oh, man. Cannot believe I got wicked out of that thing just to see it continue higher today. But I'm going to keep a very close eye on bets. Might even try it a second time on a pullback and just let it fill this gap and just put my stop down here at 15.26. Something like this maybe. But more or less, try again, I guess, is the overall thought. Just have a little bit of a looser stop, something like that on bets. But yeah, look to buy the dip on that one. Norwegian cruise lines. The cruise lines look really, really pretty. So these are on the verge of breaking out, my dear friends. Keep your eyes on the prize. Good volume, good close. It is a retest gap, but it's a very, very nice open. So be watching the cruise lines, as it does seem, at least in my opinion, that they could start working on breaking out. Carnival was one of the wins of the day for some of the day traders. This is what we played for our Wednesday, and it actually kept going higher, ironically enough. But yeah, Carnival, we played just once. This was the setup right here. This is what it looked like when we took it. If I go back in time, that was the exact setup that we took this morning for a nice little healthy R. And it actually ended up working twice. Again, could have took it two separate times. And then look at the second run. I mean, Carnival just doing some nice moves. So yeah, some good breakout to potentially strong close. This is right after Ricky Cadden over there in RLT Australia posted a really, really cool synthetic long. So this is him buying some longer term calls at 25 January 2022 and selling a 1250 put sale. The put sale effectively almost paying almost the entire thing for the call option. So that's already up nicely. Yeah, so thanks, Mr. Ricky Cadden. Appreciate the love. Keep your eyes on cruise lines. Maybe a small pullback over the next 3 or 4 days, but after that pullback, I do think that there is a chance that those could pop and go a little bit higher, especially if you're buying some out-of-the-money options. Speaking of out-of-the-money options, AYX is working on pulling back, which I love. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous company, phenomenal trend. And if this thing can pull back to 147.14, that would be a really good buy low, sell high opportunity for me. Cloudera taking its sweet time, but I do actually kind of like the double bottom that's still forming. I kind of like the lower shadow that we got in here. I like the weekly moving averages bouncing off of this, and I still like that monthly double bottom. So I did do a 1350 covered call on Cloudera expiring July 31st. So if it expires in the money, I'll get called away for a profit. If it does not, then I'll make another 30 cents on Cloudera, and done will be done on that one. Here's NET hanging out, doing its thing. Nothing too crazy, nothing too exciting, nothing too special. And yeah, let's just go look at some other swing trades. We have Progeny, PGNY. This one is trying to come back to profitable for us. I'll increase the stop on it today to 24.05. We're still in a swing trade on NEM, Newmont, almost getting stopped out of this one. So I'll increase the stop by a few pennies on NEM. HIMX, we're still in on a swing trade on that one. Going to increase the stop by 2 or 3 pennies on HIMX. AMC, we're still in this one. Going to increase the stop a few pennies on this one as well. And last but not least is LMNX. LMNX got lucky on, but it is continuing higher. I do like the gap, and hopefully this will hit a target to put a little bit of a W on the board going into July. But broader market looks bullish, ladies and gentlemen. Stay long. Long is strong. Very excited and interested to see what happens from here. And until next time, love life, and trade it. Bye.